So I wanted to show you guys the actual studio. It's a mess. I don't ever clean it. We don't have time for that.
Welcome back. So this is what it's actually like down here. You know, you caught me off guard with this 1,000 sub thing. I wanted to clean, but it looks like crap. But YouTube sent me this cool plaque here. It's very nice of them. And look, they even had Mr. Beast sign it. It's pretty rad. It's filthy down here. So I wanted to show you guys my computer. But looks like I moved it. There's my accordion at any rate. I feel like I'm turned into Tommy Jarvis because everywhere I look there's Jason. But I get to watch some films here and there. Oh, I shouldn't be showing that. I'm gonna be honest, you guys. There's been times during the past year when, you know, I'd be looking at other people's masks and just think, Phantom, your painting just looks like butt. What are these? Are these blanks? Oh my god. I've got to have all of these painted and finished by the end of the day. Sometimes I just come inside and lay on the stairs and fall asleep. But then I'll forget I have the mask on, so I have these weird nightmares because of the oxygen deprivation. And then I'll just wake up and cry. Sometimes I just cry for hours. So it's good to walk away once in a while. So right now I'm actually framing up some art by my buddy Gaj Vlaamst of Belgium. He did some art for my comic book. He's a great artist. And then, you know, I like to get back to the masks. Lately I've been painting them by the dub. Seems to happen a lot. For some reason I'll always get 2 of the same mask order. And like seriously, it's weird. It happens all the time. I don't know why. I won't sell any boots, then I'll get 2 in a row, or 2 X's, 2 8s. Not complaining. Get a lot better when you do multiple masks. You gotta remember to pay the electric bill. Yeah, like I said, it's good to not forget that you have other skills and other arts you can be working on if you get a little sick of doing masks. I actually like to draw a lot. This is a sketch for my comic book Vadis. I actually do a lot of art that I don't show on the channel. Most of it's very cheery and uplifting. I just kind of sculpt whatever comes to my mind usually, or draw or paint. Comment below if you know what film this is from. And I also do oil painting. I do commissions. Sometimes I do stuff like this for people. Or portraits. Here's a, what's his name? Carl Sagan. This freaking guy. This is something I did for somebody. Sometimes I like to paint the sky. But I guess my point is, you can't always be painting masks. Everything from dragons to butterflies. But this is what I did this year, and this is where we're at. Let's check them out. so much for watching. New subs, welcome aboard. We've got 1,000 of the coolest subs on YouTube. And I'm not just saying that to be some kind of squad. It's actually true. You know, actually, I wouldn't and couldn't do this without you guys. Because I wouldn't have started doing it if people hadn't started commenting and encouraging me. So really, it's all about the subs. Keep making suggestions. I listen to all of them. Believe it or not, we are going to do them all. This is just the first year. Phantom 25s. Get them before the year is over. Because no one knows if I will ever make another mask after that. I could get canceled for my Tommy Jarvis headcanon. I know they're coming for me for that. Hopefully we can get a group started soon for people to share pics of their own masks. I think it would be super cool if we started something like that. Also, no cap, I want to start an effects studio somewhere. Hopefully New Jersey. I think that'd be pretty cool, even if I still lived up here in New York. To work on the rest of my clients, it'd be cool to open and run a shop. Because I have too many things that I do for one person, and it's just grown out of control. I need help. I need people that are as crazy as I am about this stuff. So if you're down, like seriously down, like a psycho, hit me up. Cause I'm dead ball serious. Gonna keep doing this stuff. Like I said, this is the first year. This ain't nothing. This is that you want Jason masks. We're doing every single one. And we will not stop. Thanks for watching. Cool chatting with you guys. I'll be back with more mask videos. Promise. Peace out.